Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our series on learning to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad, and today we're going to take a look at the reader and how to create a highlight, note, and bookmark within the reader, and then put them within a topical folder. I'm just going to jump straight in by tapping Search. I'm going to go to Desire of Ages, page 400. And in here, I'm going to create, first of all, a highlight. So I'm going to long click, swipe through on the sentence. And when it pops up here in the tools where I see the little pen over a little yellow line, I'm going to tap that because that is my highlight. Now, first of all, I don't mind if it's red, that's fine. But I don't want to save this into thoughts. I want to create a different folder. So down the bottom here, can you see this down the bottom where it says Save To and then it shows the folder Thoughts? I'm going to open that up. I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to highlight the Study Center because I'm going to create a folder in the root, and the root is the Study Center. So once I've highlighted the root, Study Center, I then click on the folder and I put in the title of what I call this. And I'm going to call this Barriers Broken Down. And I'm going to click on Create. So now I have created a topic here, Barriers Broken Down. All right, so I click Save. And I've got the red highlight color, and I've put this highlight in the folder. Now, maybe I want to do some other areas. So I'm going to type in barriers. And here's another one in Desire of Ages. So another broken down barrier. So already he had broken through the barriers of national prejudice and hatred. I'm going to highlight that quote. And this time, instead of having to go through and create another highlight, I'm just going to add it right into the folder that it was before. So I just click on the little previous history. So now let's look to see what we did. Let's go over to Study Center. You can see barriers broken down, and you should be able to see the two highlights that I created. One in which I created the folder and placed a highlight in it, and one which I created another element by just clicking on the history. So that's how you go ahead and create a folder and then put topics within that folder. If I want to edit or move it, just like before, I can swipe left, I can edit or move or delete. If I want to change the order of these, I just place my finger on the icon, and then I can flip them and change the order. So, thanks for joining us today, learning how to create and move and edit a folder within the reader. Remain blessed as you stay with God. Have a nice day.